You monster!
He's like, what are you guys doing on my set?
Well, the gang's some here, so what are we talking about?
We done some video recording tonight.
Yeah.
All of us.
Too much fun, man.
Some post-work.
Aliens and regular beans.
Right. Yeah. Alien.
Exactly.
Everyone's in the
Technically,
mix.
I'm an alien.
You are the alien.
I am the most rare alien.
Yeah.
So here it is. It's coming at you guys now, and hope you enjoy it.
Sweet. Have fun. The character that you're playing is a machine intelligence. In this universe, there are two types of life. There's organic life and machine life.
Come over to the wall. Let me show you something.
I know things seem to be moving quickly, but you have a visitor if you're up to it.
This will be your first physical encounter with a sentient of another species.
He is a counselor and of the Zagundan race.
His name is Felino Gaspachin, and he is a good friend of mine.
And then come with those two.
Yes.
Exactly. There you go.
He's
Been gone for 4 million years.
Wow.
So,
Is she
my
like
bad.
the type to break it to him easy or rip the band-aid off?
Rip the band-aid off.
Never gonna dance again.
Shoot you right in the face.
Guilty feel got no rhythm.
Tim, do you have a
I'm
gun?
gonna
I need
lose
to
my
shoot
face.
Evan like right in the
Says he's
face
gonna
for just a minute.
Oh no.
Just through all of this, back to a bunch of his talking to himself, because he does that a lot.
What a genius idea! Go to space, meet some aliens, run away, and get eaten by all the things.
112 degrees. He scared the dog, but it worked.
Oh no! Yeah!
That's good. That's good.
Nice.
Sorry, I forgot I was in the shot.
Breathe heavily on
I'm
his
in,
neck.
I'm in the street. Just like that.
Do you feel that, Dad? Yes, I feel that. Stop it.
Oh my gosh, Maddie is so great.
It's adorable.
Okay. Welcome back, Ian. I hear your excursion was quite epic.
Thanks. So, since you know who I am,
Of course. My name is Dremini279UI, but you can call me Drem.
All right, there it was. The glimpse inside the studio.
All right.
Woo! Here's STARDOG, Gordon's reveal.
Yeah.
See you guys next time.
Time, man.
See ya. And it's an outro song for everybody to sing along. Yeah.
Just hands.